All right, so you're thinking about a real estate career. You thought about becoming a real estate agent. You've seen all my videos. You're like, man, if Josh could do it, I could do it. You're right. You absolutely can. So let's go ahead and talk about the cost of becoming a real estate agent. That's what today's video is all about. And not only just a regular real estate agent, but a successful one. That's what we're going to talk about. Let's go into the basic cost, and we'll talk about the two most important things at the very end of the video. So stick around. Let's get into it. All right, first things first, you've got to get a license. How do you do that? Well, that's what we're going to walk through. We're going to walk through those steps, and we're going to talk about the costs along the way. My buddies over at the Tulsa School of Real Estate, they have a pre-licensing course. This is a course that you have to pass to be able to sit for the real estate licensing exam. Now, this video is over the cost in Oklahoma. Every single state that you're in, reach out to me. I will get you in contact with local schools in those states that you can get your pre-licensing done. But in Oklahoma, your pre-licensing costs could be as low as $299 for the material to sit for the test and up to $375. And my buddies over at the Tulsa School of Real Estate, what they say on these costs are people really like the platinum version because you get a hard copy of the textbook. You get a hard copy of the textbook is what people say they really like about that version. If you're a person who doesn't need hard copies of anything, then the gold version might be good for you. Any questions on initial pre-testing, getting ready for the test, the pre-licensing course cost work? Put them in the comments. Put them in the comments. All right, no questions on that. If you're watching this video on the replay, still feel free to put them on the comments or just reach out to me directly and we'll go over your questions in that aspect. My Calendly link is down in the description below. My Calendly link is down in the description below. Whenever you click on that, it takes you to this page. And then if you want questions about pre-licensing or becoming a real estate agent, just click this one right here, joining/questions about eXp Realty. That'll be fine. Just click that one right there. Now, let's go into once you pass your pre-licensing, then you're going to need to sit for the exam. So in the state of Oklahoma, this is going to be pretty average cost for most states. Every state is different, but for most states, this is going to be pretty average cost. So to sit for the exam, it's a $60 fee. $60 fee right there, okay? So $60. So far, you've got $299 on the low end and $60. So you're $360 in. $360 in right now. When you pass the test, you're going to have to pay $100 right there to get your provisional license. $100 to get your provisional license. And then don't forget, too, you have a $30 fee whenever you submit the license to the Real Estate Commission. $35 fee to submit the application to the Real Estate Commission, and then a $100 licensing fee. So right now, you're about $460 in, $495. You're about $495 in. Okay, does that make sense? And at the same time you pass your test and pay these fees, you're going to want to get on my calendar, links down below in the description, get on my calendar, book a call, and we'll be able to go through your application together. It's a 25-page application, I believe, but there's a $145 application fee. 85 of that is towards your $85 a month tech fee. So it's I think $65 application, but it's the first month tech fee and your application fee combined. Is what that is. And eXp Realty needs to do its own background checks on you too to make sure everything's good to go in that aspect. So $695. I'm gonna have to get the calculator out, guys. It's $840. All right, so you're in at $840 to start your own business. There's not a business that's cheaper that you know. Do you know a business that's cheaper to start your own business so far? So right now we're at $840. We've done the pre-licensing course. We've done the application. We've done the exam. We've done the application and the licensing fee, and we've done the EXP application fee. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. We are at $840. Now, this is where it starts to get expensive because to be able to get MLS access, you're going to need to be a member of the NAR, and so your NAR national dues are $195 at the time of this video, $180 professional standards. And then Oakmar, $200, and then your Oakmar application fee and your new member orientation fee. So all of those fees added up, plus your MLS login fee and your MLS service fee, all of those fees added up. Let me jump over here. $1,430 plus the $640 that we just spoke about equals $2,070. $2,070 to start your real estate journey, to start your real estate business. Guys, you go sell a $300,000 house. There's $9,000 commission on that typically. So 7,000. So take out your broker splits and take this off. You're still gonna be walking away around $5,000, probably $5,000 after you just sell that house. So you're gonna be up $5,000. So don't let the front end numbers scare you, because the potential to make money when you invest in yourself is always higher than when you're investing in other people. Am I right? Am I right? So now that you have all your MLS dues paid, all your EXP application done, you have your licensing done, your pre-licensing done, and all those other things, then guys, all it comes down to, the last two items that I want to talk to you about when you're starting a real estate career, guys, is simple. Do you know what it is? The first one is time. All you got to do is put your time in. Put your time in. Hold your open houses. Set up KV Core with Kelly. When you connect with me, guys, I'm going to have Kelly help you get onboarded. It's going to be simple. You and I will delve into your KV Core. We'll put your KV Core together. You'll start being a real estate salesman or a real estate saleswoman. So the first one is time, guys, and the second one is drive. Drive. As long as you do your open houses, as long as you work your KV Core, as long as you're social on social media, guys, you get out of sales what you put in it. So when you're talking about the cost to be a successful real estate agent, all of the dollar costs are the same for everybody. All the dollar costs are the same for everybody. But what comes down to making you successful above everyone else is the time you put in and the drive and the smart work that you do. If you're driven and you put your time in and you do the smart work, follow the path of success, you'll be successful. If you're looking at the cost to become a real estate agent and you watched this video, I hope that you found value in it. And if you did, guys, and if you're ready to start that journey and go deeper on it, get on my calendar link down below in the description is my calendar link. Get on my calendar. Let's book a call. Let's talk about your future as a real estate salesperson anywhere. Let's talk about your future as a successful real estate person and how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success. Thanks so much for watching today's video. This video popping up right here too. If you're not ready to book a call with me yet, this video right here, YouTube thinks that you might like it also. See you guys on the next video.